President Drupadi Murmu giving away awards to the winner of India's Smart City Award Content 2022 at the Smart Cities Conclave 2023 at Indore in Madhya Pradesh today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the event marking the 20 years of vibrant Gujarat Global Summit at Science City in Ahmedabad, has expressed confidence that India will be among the top 3 economies of the world in the coming years. In a crackdown on a Khalistani gangster nexus, the National Investigation Agency today raided multiple locations in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi NCR, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. The centre has extended the Armed Force Special Power Act AFSPA in some parts of Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland with effects from October 1st this year. India's Sept Samra won gold in the women's 50-meter rifles 3P individual event at the Asian Games 2023 to give India its 5th gold at Hangzhou today.